Over the next 2 minutes, you're going to see how to make a bear market fortune with microcaps. When bear markets hit, all the major indices get killed. Traders all try and dump their stocks and get back to cash, and you can hardly blame them. But then an interesting thing happens, especially if the bear market lasts a while. They start looking around for some place to put that cash to work that'll get them a decent return. Now, I understand people use options to trade the downside or put their money in some boring utility stock that's supposed to weather a downturn. But if investors want to get really outrageous returns in a bear market, they turn to microcaps. Microcaps have outperformed the big caps in every market downturn since the 1950s. A microcap is a tiny company just getting going, and the ones that attract buying attention are the ones starting to get traction. After years of developing their software or service or whatever, they're finally generating revenue. And often in the early stages, those revenue increases are dramatic, with huge percentage gains from quarter to quarter. If you want to beat a bear market, that's where you go to find gains. Let me show you what I mean. In late summer 2022, the market was crashing. On August 26th, the S&P 500 plunged by 3.4%, taking most stocks with it. But one of our favorite microcaps that's providing great health insurance for 20 to 40% less jumped an impressive 8.4% that same day. And that wasn't just one of our stocks. Another one of our microcaps that is providing unified communications to first responders jumped 7.1% that same day, August 26th, while the overall market was crashing by 3.4%. And then on August 24th, a day the S&P 500 was only up 0.8%, another one of our microcaps that looks to have found a cure for virus infections, including COVID-19, influenza, and even the common cold, jumped an astounding 64%, as investors began to realize how profitable this company could ultimately become. And then moving forward to September 6th, the S&P 500 dropped by 1.4%. That same day, a company we've been recommending that is creating the world's first non-invasive glucose monitor, in other words, no more finger sticks for diabetics, jumped to mind-boggling 78%. That's some incredible outperformance, but it gets even better because we're ultimately targeting 10 times or more on our money. That's a whopping 1,000%. And I believe some of them will do far better than that. Heck, we've already bagged 2,500% on one of our past recommendations and an eye-popping 3,400% on another. The cool thing is these fast-growing stocks with incredibly valuable solutions rocket higher in bull markets too. But the point is, bear markets don't hold them back. When traders are looking for big profits, they look for companies that are growing fast, making these stocks rocket higher on their own individual stories and not on what the rest of the market is doing. Once they hit most investors' radar, it's already too late. The key is getting in the right stocks with huge potential early, so you've got months to build a big position before they take off. That's what I spend virtually all my time looking for. And man, have we found some incredible companies. Companies with this much potential are hard to find. So I might only recommend 3 to 5 at any one time. But keep in mind, just one can make it so you never have to worry about money again. And obviously there's risk involved. Any stock has the potential to go down, and these are no exception. But the potential is so great, I believe these are the most lopsided risk-reward setups in the entire world of investing. To get started with a portfolio of companies that my research says will make us 10 times on our money or more, go to smallstocksbigprofits.com. This is literally the most exciting investing you can do because the upside potential is so great. And the really nice thing is there's no trading involved. You just get in for the lowest price you can and hang on. I'll give you regular updates on what's affecting the stocks, and I'll tell you exactly when to buy and when to sell. So go to smallstocksbigprofits.com, and I'll look forward to making some life-changing returns together.